is saying that Erika is having a breakdown, a mental breakdown, that the production team said that they've never seen anything like this before, that they had to rush her to the hospital. Please, I'm calling to plead to Don Mike, her friend. They should call her mother or something. Somebody has to get to her. Like this. Somebody just has to get to her and help her, please. She needs family around her, please.
Big Brother Naija ex-housemate Erica has allegedly been hospitalized for mental breakdown few hours after she was disqualified from the ongoing reality TV show. Recall that Erica was disqualified during the live eviction after receiving more than 3 strikes from Big Brother for her behavior in the house. According to a voice note going viral on Instagram, the disqualified housemate is going through a mental breakdown and has been rushed to the hospital. The person talking in the voice note has pleaded with anyone who has Erica's mother's contact to call her to come to her daughter's rescue. Erica's disqualification from BBNaija 2020 comes after she disrespected the rules governing the house, refused her deputy from sleeping in the HOH room, and threatening to kill a fellow housemate, Lekon. Big Brother stated that Erica's action went contrary to the rules and regulations governing the house, hence her disqualification from the show. Erica also poured water on the part of the bed where her deputy head of house, Prince, was supposed to be sleeping. Meanwhile, Nigerians blast Erica fans for opening GoFundMe accounts, donating over $14,000 to her after disqualification. Barely 3 hours after her disqualification, a GoFundMe campaign was launched by fans to support her dreams.